To add and use accessibility shortcut to access sound notification in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down to top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility, tap advanced setting, and then tap accessibility button. Tap select action. Scroll down the screen and then select sound notification. By adding the accessibility shortcut for sound notification, now you can easily access sound notification live view by tapping accessibility button at the bottom right corner of the screen and then select sound notification. If the sound notification is paused, you can resume it or start it again by tapping the setting icon at the top right. And then tap the green on option next to use sound notification to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that sound notification is on, and it will help you know what happened in your home by always checking for sound you want notification about, like when a smoke alarm beeps or a doorbell ring. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.